सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Recently, the World Health Organization (WHO) released the 2019 Global Health Estimates. The report mentions that the non-communicable diseases now make up 7 of the world's top 10 causes of death, also an increase from 4 of the top 10 leading causes in the year 2000. The new data is based on the period from the years 2000 to the year 2019. According to the WHO, diabetes and dementia are also among the world's top 10 causes of death. Heart diseases, diabetes, stroke, lung cancer, and chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases were collectively responsible for nearly 100 million additional healthy life years lost in 2019 compared to the year 2000. In today's edition of RDNS, we will let you know about the key findings of this report by WHO. As per the organization, heart diseases have caused death at global level for past 20 years, yet it is now killing more people than ever before. Heart diseases now represents 16% of total deaths from all causes, and the number of deaths from heart diseases increased by more than 2 million since the year 2000 to nearly 9 million in the year 2019. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia are now among the top 10 causes of death worldwide, ranking third in both the America and Europe in 2019. Women are disproportionately affected globally. 65% of deaths from Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia are women. Deaths from diabetes increased by 70% globally between 2000 and 2019, with an 80% rise in deaths among males. In the Eastern Mediterranean, deaths from diabetes have more than doubled and represent the greatest percentage increase of all WHO regions. The WHO said the estimates reveal trends over the last 2 decades in mortality and morbidity caused by diseases and injuries, clearly highlighting the need for an intensified global focus on preventing and treating cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, and chronic respiratory diseases, as well as tackling injuries in all regions of the world as set out in the agenda for the UN Sustainable Development Goals. While more non-communicable diseases are now causing deaths worldwide, there has been a global decline in deaths for communicable diseases. In the year 2019, pneumonia and other lower respiratory infections were the deadliest group of communicable diseases and together ranked as the 4th leading cause of death. HIV, AIDS dropped from the 8th leading cause of death in the 2000 to the 19th in 2019, reflecting the success of efforts to prevent infection, test for the virus, and treat the disease over the last 2 decades. Since it remains the 4th leading cause of death in Africa, the number of deaths has dropped by more than half, falling from over 1 million in 2000 to 435,000 in 2019 in Africa. Communicable diseases still take in low-income countries. 6 of the top 10 causes of death in low-income countries are still communicable diseases, including malaria on the 6th position, tuberculosis on the 8th position, and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is AIDS, on the 9th position. According to WHO, tuberculosis is also no longer in the global top 10, falling from 7th place in the year 2000 to 13th in the year 2019, with a 30% reduction in global deaths. Yet, it remains among the top 10 causes of deaths in Africa and Southeast Asian region, where it is the 8th and the 5th leading cause respectively. As per the new projections, people are living a longer life with more disability and health issues. The estimates further affirm the growing trend for longevity. In 2019, people were living more than 6 years longer than in the year 2000, with a global average of more than 73 years in 2019 compared to nearly 67 in 2000. But, on average, only 5 of those additional years were lived in good health. These new estimates are another reminder that we need to immediately step up prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of non-communicable diseases. They highlight the urgency of drastically improving primary health care equitably and holistically. Strong primary health care is clearly the foundation on which everything depends, from combating non-communicable diseases to managing a global pandemic.